Delicious. It's actually really, really quite good. I got up a little early today, so this way I could get up before the kids and I could have a normal early morning. Yesterday it was a little bit stressful because I got up at the same time as everyone and I wasn't really able to prepare myself well before the kids got up, so I kind of got thrown into everything. But it's a learning curve. So as we still continued in our half quarantine-like state, so as things go on, we're learning on the job how to do it.
I was really annoyed. I thought nobody was up. Goodbye.
Welcome to the Sussman Family Vlog. Welcome back, everybody, to another episode. I believe, what day is this of our This is our 4th day at home, I think. Things are in a little bit of a good groove this morning, Baruch Hashem. Thank the Almighty. That could change at any moment, though. And they will keep you posted as the day goes along.
Activities, don't forget.
We're doing activities, and right now is breakfast time for everybody. Okay, we'll check in with all you later. We're continuing to learn the Agada to get ready for Pesach. Right now it is, what time is it, guys?
Bubble time.
Right now it's bubble time. Today's going much smoother, I think, than other days. It's really a learning curve and adjustment on everyone's part about what's gonna work and what's not gonna work. Had ups and downs with the call-in for the schools, but overall, I think as we adjust to the situation, our experience of it is feeling much better as well.
We can get it. We can do it all. We got it all. And we don't have to be together. We can be separate. And we think that that's the way it should be. So good as Bob's reminding us now.
Pizza toast classics I just made for myself. We have mozzarella on one and cheddar on the other. I would have done mozzarella on both, but we're out of mozzarella, so cheddar will suffice.
Okay.
Ugh, I burnt my pizza toast. Ugh.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Totally burnt. Burnt pizza toast. I burnt my toast. Burnt, but it's still okay because it's only burnt on that side. On this side, it seems to be all right. Boiling hot. We got this new toaster. And it's so hot. You know? The old ones, they break, but the new ones, incredibly hot.
Smile. This doesn't hurt.
Stick your hand
It's
out.
like wiping my hand here.
Okay, a box came in the mail that I'm very excited for, that I've been waiting for some time. It comes straight from Israel. You guys can read that on the label, the Hebrew writing. And it's from my beloved brother-in-law, Davey Dombrowski. Check him out on Instagram. What he's done, an incredible thing. It is his new Tikkun HaKlalis. Oh yeah, with the new cover in the other side. Now, what is the Tikkun HaKlali? It's 10 chapters of the Hillim that Rabbi Nachman said help very, very, very much. Now, I just want to read you what he said over here about the Tikkun HaKlali. This is the 1-minute Tikkun HaKlali download. Rabbi Nachman said, "When my days are up and I leave this world, I will intercede for anyone who comes to my grave, recites these 10 chapters of the Hillim, and gives charity on my behalf. No matter how grave his sins are, I will do everything in my power to save him and cleanse him. I will span the length and breadth of creation for him. I'll grab him by his peyot, his side curls, and pull him out of Gehenna, out of hell." The Rebbe continued, "I am very positive in everything I say, but about this, I am more positive than anything else. These 10 chapters help very, very much. If you're interested in one, leave me a comment, whatever it is. We'll get them out to you, and I'm very excited that we have these new Tikkun HaKlalis in the house." So, we're going out right now in the car. It's actually my wife's back from work. Give a wave. Just back from work, going to Amazing Savings. This is actually my first time off the block in several days. I mean, I did go bike riding, so I got off the block, but I'm actually going in the car now. We're going out. I wonder what the rest of the world looks like. I'm putting the gloves on. This way we'll be corona free. Show your hands. We're starting to load up on Pesach goods. It doesn't look like we're actually gonna run out of things because look, Baruch Hashem, there's a lot of stuff here. So I don't think we're gonna run out, but fairly empty over here. What's it gonna be? Oh, we're getting the frying pan. What's it gonna be? We found the frying pan.